Hi, it's Rob here from Woodward English, and today we're going to look at the English idiom, the icing on the cake. But before we learn what this is, we need to know what icing is. And I have a very special guest, some chocolate cake. Icing, if we have a look on here, this top part, this brown stuff, sometimes it's different colors, this is icing. And icing is a sugary substance used as a coating on cakes and cookies or biscuits to make it look better or to improve or enhance its flavor. The icing on the cake has two meanings, and strangely they happen to be opposites. The idiom can be used in a positive sense and also in a negative sense. A simple definition would be something that makes a good situation, like the cake, even better, or a bad situation even worse. Some examples are: not only was I offered a higher salary, but the additional bonus I got was the icing on the cake. I got fired from my job, but the icing on the cake was when my car broke down on the way home. Has anything recently happened to you that was the icing on the cake? Let us know in the comments below. Have an awesome day.